Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another monthly crochet favourites. I'm not gonna lie, this has come round really quickly and I can't believe it's the end of the month already. I suppose because February is quite a short month, so it just feels like it's come around really quickly. But anyway, here is my monthly favourites. You all enjoyed it last month, so I'm really pleased to be carrying it on again. And as I said last time, it will become a monthly feature on this channel. But if you are new around here, then hello, my name is Sarah Jane. I am the person that creates the tutorials on this channel. I would love you to come on in and click that subscribe button and also click that bell button, because it will notify you of when I have new videos coming out. I've had a lot of people just recently say, where are your videos? And it's because they're not being notified. So make sure you click that bell button so that you can see them. So the same as last time, I'm going to start off with some accessories or an accessory, and I'm going to talk about crochet hooks. These crochet hooks in particular. If you follow my Coco crochet page on Facebook, you might have seen these when I advertise signing up to the newsletter. Whenever that photo goes out, I always get people say, where are these hooks from? These are absolutely gorgeous. They are the Rico acrylic crochet hooks. They come like this. There is a pack of 10. And what I really like about them is you also get some larger sizes in there as well. These retail for $12.99, I believe. I really should know that because you can actually get them on my website. I'll leave a link in the description box below. If you don't know already, I did a couple of years ago, I set up a website. I started selling yarn and crochet hooks and things, but as circumstances have changed, I've kind of reshuffled things so they're a bit easier for myself. So now I actually have a store on Love Crochet, but I still do have some accessories left. I have a few of these left, and once they're gone, I'm not going to restock them again. So if you do want them, make sure you get your hands on them first. But I just love them. They're so pretty. And even if you don't want the full set of 10, I also have them listed in just singular versions as well if you wanted those slightly bigger hooks. But they just look so pretty. How gorgeous are they? So moving on to yarn, I have actually been sent just recently the new Paintbox Wall mix. And this is really nice. So for those of you who love Paintbox yarns and love all the colours, they now have it in a wool mix. So it's 50% wool, 50% acrylic. As you can expect, because it does have wool in there, it is a little bit more scratchy than what the acrylic is, but I know a lot of people do like to have the blend, and these are really nice. And my favourite thing about this range, I don't know why I said that so slow, but my favourite thing about this is that they do it in super chunky. As I mentioned last time, I'm loving chunky yarns at the moment, even though we're going into spring. I think just because I have less time at the moment and it just crochets up faster. So yeah, I really like this. So it comes in all the colours, and yeah, that's definitely a winner for me. I would love to see the super chunky in the Paintbox acrylic range. So another yarn that I have been loving, and I've actually loved this for a really long time. I've had some for a while but never really got a chance to sit down and make anything with it, and that is the Millimia. Now this is actually a slightly different one to the one I'm going to show you because I've actually used it. It's the Millimia Naturally Soft Aran. So yes, these are my used balls of yarn, what I've used so far. I'll leave a link in the description box below also with the colours, because I'm not sure off the top of my head what colours these are, but they are so soft and absolutely gorgeous. And I wanted to show you this because this is what I've been working on just lately. This is a 12-point star blanket. You'll be pleased to know that my next tutorial after this video is going to be on this. And it just looks beautiful, it feels beautiful. I love the softness of it. It's really nice to work with. Again, it's an Aran weight yarn, so for me it's good because it kind of builds up a bit quicker, But yes, I absolutely adore that. I need to get some more yarn so that I can make this slightly bigger, because at the moment I've used pretty much one ball of each colour. Obviously I've used more of the grey, less of the cream, that kind of thing. So from those 50-gram balls, this is what's left from doing this piece. So yeah, really loving that, and I'm really excited to get that tutorial to you, so make sure you check back next week for that. Also in March, I've got a really exciting project for you, so make sure that you'll follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter for the announcement of what that's going to be. Also, don't forget that I've changed them recently, so I shall leave the links to those on here, but it's now Bella Coco Crochet, or Twitter is Bella Co Crochet, and then Facebook is Bella Coco Crochet. I've just split everything up from my lifestyle so that people can choose what they want to see. But of course, if you want to follow me on both accounts, that is absolutely fine as well. As for stitches that I've been loving this month, again, same as last month, I'm really loving quite dense looking stitches, and I really like the moss stitch at the moment. I think it's just a super easy stitch to do and it looks absolutely brilliant. I did recently do a project which I'm not going to share just yet because I'm kind of working on something with it. I've actually used a really chunky yarn with it and it looks absolutely fantastic. So look out for that again. So on to accounts that I've been loving this month, and the first one is Celine from Crafty CC. She has really beautiful bright projects. I think when you look through her Instagram feed, it's always really cheerful to look at, and she does use a lot of different stitches and does different blankets and things, so definitely check her out. And the other account is My Little Crochet Corner. This account is, again, really sweet. Make sure that you scroll down and take a look at the bunny because it's so cute. I said this last week, I think I've got an obsession with bunnies, but yeah, just scroll down her feed a little bit, go and see the giant bunny that she's done. It's really nice. And again, if you pop along to their accounts, let them know that I sent you. So there's one final thing that I want to talk about in this video, and well done if you've got to the end of this video first of all, but I am so thankful for each and every one of you that do subscribe to this channel. So every month I'm going to do a little giveaway, and this giveaway is just going to be something that I feel that you would like. And it's going to be based on the individual winner. So basically all you need to do is make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, and when you are posting your pictures on Instagram, if you've been inspired by my work or used my tutorial or anything like that, I want you to use hashtag BCGFeb18. So I'll leave that on the screen here, hashtag BC for Bella Coco, G for giveaway, Feb 18, and I'm going to go through that hashtag and choose my favourite project from that month, have a look at your account and send you out something for just being a subscriber, because I really do appreciate it, and I'm going to do that every month. So make sure that you check in the next favourites video who is the winner of that giveaway. So there we go, they are my February favourites. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to keep up to date with all of my latest videos. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you again next time. Bye!